Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain BIM International Standards in a very simple way. If you are working in Revit or BIM projects, this video will help you understand the global standards used in the industry. What is BIM Standard? First, let us understand what a BIM standard is. A BIM standard is a set of rules and guidelines. It helps teams to work together properly, share data correctly, and avoid mistakes in projects. First one, ISO 19650, 19650. The most important BIM standard is ISO 19650. ISO 19650 explains how to manage information in BIM projects. It includes project planning, design stage, construction stage, operation stage. It also introduces something called common data environment, also known as CDE. This is a central place where all project files are stored and shared. For example, AAC Cloud. So in detail, we'll see in upcoming classes. Next, another one is UK standards. Before ISO 19650, the UK developed strong BIM standards like BS 1192 and PAS 1192. These standards focus on file naming, folder structure, collaboration process. Even today, many companies still follow these rules. BS 1192, British Standard Code of Practice for Collaborative Production, Management and Exchange of Construction Information. PS 1192, that is also British standard designed to facilitate building information modeling. Level 2, focusing on collaborative working, information management and 3D modeling across the asset lifestyle. Next one is IFC, which stands for Industry Foundation Classes. IFC is used to share BIM models between different software like Revit, ArchiCAD, and others. It helps in coordination and avoid data loss. COBie. Another important standard is COBie. COBie is mainly used for facility management. It stores information about equipment, assets, and maintenance. Usually, it is delivered in Excel format. So, to summarize, ISO 19650 is the main global standard. BS and PAS 1192 are UK standards. IFC is used for data exchange. COBie is used for asset information. Understanding these standards will help you grow in your BIM career. In upcoming tutorials, we'll find more details about these topics. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.